In a tough business scenario, making smart decisions in production is like solving a tricky puzzle. If a piece of equipment breaks in a production line, it causes delays, losses of resources, and potentially impacts the overall production schedule. It's important to quickly assess the situation, identify the cause of the breakdown, and determine the best course of action. The best case scenario is to prevent any stoppages in production. That's what we did for one of our clients. Our team developed a machine learning algorithm capable of predicting equipment failures in real time. Using our solution, the company could know in advance which machinery needed preventive maintenance. Leveraging that information allowed them to improve resource allocation and increase operational efficiency. The solution also sent alerts to the responsible parties, enabling them to act before any losses could happen. Using this smart tool not only fixed certain problems, but also made a new way of doing things, showing how the company is using more data in its decisions. Want to see how we can make your work better, help you make smarter decisions, and solve problems with a tool that guesses things? For fixing things before they break, we have a special tool. It helps figure out if your machines might break, solving the problem of not knowing when to replace them, unexpected stops in work because of machines breaking, and making work smoother by using resources better. Our tool includes a smart guessing system that works in real time. It changes how things are usually done, so instead of fixing things when they're broken, we fix them before. Get messages ahead of time so you can quickly and easily do what needs to be done. Set up a talk with one of our helpers today and find new ways to make your work better.